For decades, Bosch has stood for precision, reliability, and innovation. Today, we bring that legacy to your home's front door. Welcome to the future of home security. Smart, secure, seamless. We bring this commitment to your homes with our complete Smart Lock range. The ID series, simple, intuitive, and easy for anyone to use. The EL series, delivering elegant one-touch access for elevated daily living. The FU series, combining high-security access control with modern convenience and premium aesthetic. Powered by Bosch's advanced engineering, our Smart Lock technology is designed around the way people live today. It brings confidence to every moment, knowing your home is protected by precise, reliable, and intelligent security. Imagine a home that welcomes you. No keys, no fuss. Just a touch, a scan, or a glance. Whether you're coming back from work, letting kids in after school, or checking in while traveling, Bosch Smart Locks give you control wherever you are. More than a lock. It's a door to convenience, safety, and modern living. Bosch Smart Lock, from compact to high-tech, we have the right solution for every home.